Hello everyone, welcome to Students Paradise. Today we are going to discuss about future perfect tense. Okay, we have already discussed about simple future or future indefinite and future continuous tense. Whosoever is new to my channel, they can watch those videos and also the videos of present tense and past tense. I have given all the links in description below. Okay, so let us begin our discussion of future perfect tense. Okay, students, we have already discussed about past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? It is past of past. So same way, future perfect tense is past of future. You might be thinking, what am I telling? Yes, it is true. Future perfect tense is nothing but past of future. Future perfect tense, it describes about an action in future which might have happened before another action in future. Suppose there is an action 1. This is action 1 and this is action 2. Both are in future. Okay. So this is an action which happens after action 1. So action 1 happens before action 2. That's why action 1 or the verb that we use for action 1 should be in future perfect. So see, both are in future, but this action 1 happens before action 2. That's why it is the past action of action 2. That's why we call future perfect as past of future. Okay, past of future. Here both are in future tense, but action 1 happens before action 2. That's why action 1 is the past of action 2. So we call it as past of future. So it is nothing but past of future. Okay, hope you understand. Let us now discuss some examples so that you can understand this thing in a better way. Okay, students, here in this sentence, I will have completed my homework before your arrival. See, before your arrival. So arrival is an action and completion is another action. Okay, so this is in future perfect tense. We have already discussed about the perfect tenses, that is present perfect and past perfect. What we have learned that in perfect tenses, the verbs are in their past participle form or V3 form. We will also discuss about the formation of the verb in case of future perfect tense. Just concentrate on this sentence first. See, will have completed. Completion of the work. The sentence is totally in future tense and there are two actions, arrival and completion. Okay, so will have completed my homework before. That means this is the first action, isn't it? And this is the second action. So this action is past of this action because before is used. So the first action is in its future perfect tense. Okay, so let us take another example. Students, here in this sentence there is only one verb, that is reach. But you can very well see that we are indicating two different time period. Okay, before 9 a.m. this is a fixed time and before 9 a.m. means the time period before 9 a.m. is past, isn't it? So 9 a.m. tomorrow denotes that it is in future tense. 9 a.m. tomorrow is future. Before 9 a.m. would be past of future. That's why the action reach, okay, it is in its future perfect tense because this action is nothing but past of future. So this is in its future perfect tense. Let us now take another example. Okay, students, in this sentence, my mother will have prepared lunch by 10 a.m. In this sentence, we have used preposition by which denotes that the action will definitely be completed before 10 a.m. or maximum 10 a.m. It will not be delayed, or the action will not be continued after 10 a.m. 10 a.m. is the deadline for the action to be completed. What is the action over here? Preparation of lunch. So, this action, the preparation of lunch, is nothing but the past of this time period. 10 a.m. is the deadline, so each moment before that is past of this time. So, we have used will have prepared, which is future perfect tense. Okay. Students, let us now discuss the formation of verb in case of future perfect tense. Okay. So, main verb is always in its V3. Main verb, it is in past participle or V3 form. Okay. Before that, we need to use the helping verb have, and before that either will or shall. So, the formation will be will or shall, then have, then main verb in its V3. For example, I will have finished the work by tomorrow. Okay, here this is the sentence which is referring to future, and finishing the work is the past of future. So, here I is the subject, will is the helping verb, along with the auxiliary verb have, and finished, which is the V3 of finish. Finish is the main verb, finish, finished and finished. So, this is the V3 of verb finish. So, in this way, we should always form the future perfect tense. Let us now discuss the formation of future perfect tense in three different kind of sentences. Those are affirmative, negative and interrogative. Okay? Students, here we have an affirmative sentence. She will have reached Delhi by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, as we have discussed in our previous tenses, the present tense and past tense, and also the formation of sentences, what we need to do in case of negative sentence, we just need to put not after the helping verb will. So, she will not have reached Delhi by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. And to form the interrogative sentence, we need to bring the helping verb at front. So, will she have reached Delhi by 5 p.m. tomorrow? Formation of different kind of sentences, the affirmative, negative and interrogative, is same for every tense. So, if you understand it clearly, then you can very well form the negative and interrogative sentences out of any affirmative sentence. Okay, let us now take another example. See, in this case, they will have found the place by tomorrow morning. So, latest by tomorrow morning. So, what we need to do to form the negative sentence? We just need to put not. Before will, they will not have found the place by tomorrow morning. And to form the interrogative sentence, as you know by now, that we need to bring the helping verb at front. Will they have found the place by tomorrow morning? Okay, so in this way we can form the negative and interrogative sentences out of any affirmative sentence in case of future perfect tense. Hope you understand. Students, let us now discuss how to form the interrogative sentence in future perfect tense using WH words. Okay. So students, here is an affirmative sentence, that is, he will have reached Mumbai by 6 p.m. It is in its future perfect tense. So in this case, to form the interrogative sentence as time is given, we should use when. So we should begin with when. When will he have reached Mumbai? When will he have reached Mumbai? He will have reached Mumbai by 6 p.m. When is used to ask about the time. Okay, let us take another example. Students, here there is another sentence. She will have purchased the medicines before coming back. So let us form the interrogative sentence by using what? So we need to ask about the medicines, the object. Okay, so what will she have purchased before coming back? What will she have purchased before coming back? So in this way, we can form the interrogative sentence using the WH word what. Okay, hope you understand. So what should be the formation of the interrogative sentence using WH word? That should be WH word, then will or shall, then subject, then have, then verb 3. For example, where will he have reached by this time tomorrow? Where will he have reached by this time tomorrow? So students, you need to remember this formation to form the interrogative sentence by using WH word in case of future perfect tense. Okay, hope you understand. Students, today we have discussed about the future perfect tense. Hope you have understood everything clearly. If not, please watch the video again and mail me your doubts on the mail ID that is given on your screen. Okay, I will definitely reply to all the mails I receive. Whosoever is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so go through the books you have, do the exercises and keep sending me your doubts. We will meet in another video with another concept of English tense. Till then, take care, keep enjoying your life and most importantly, keep smiling.